So in this video, I'll show you how to copy project element in CapCut step by step. After you open now the project, so let's say as you can see now this project. Now I want to use the element of this project inside my second project. So all I have to do now, let's say this clip, there is some animation that I add to this clip, and I want to use the same animation or the same element inside my next video. All you have to do, just right click on the clip that you want to use its element, and then tap on the save as preset. So now it will save this element for you as a preset inside your CapCut. So now I save this one. So all you have to do now, next time if you open your next project and you want to use the same element that you use inside this inside your first project. So all you have to do now, just go to this after you open the project or the new project, just go to yours. After you go to this yours, so in this your section, just scroll all the way to down. If you scroll to down, you'll be able to see the project element that you save. As you can see now, here all are presets. So here is now the one that I save currently. So just all you have to do, just drag it and drop it inside your timeline. After you drag and drop it inside your timeline, just right click on it. So after you right click on it and go to this copy attributes, now you copy all the editings and all the element that you added inside this clip. So now I want to add the same element inside to this project, to this clip. So I'll right click on this clip and then go to this paste attribute. So tap on this OK button, paste button. So from there, now I use this element on this clip. So now I use this element. This element has been saved from other projects. So now I'm using the same element inside my next project. And if you want to use it even in future, you can use it by coming to this preset button. You'll be able to see it, and just all you have to do, just right click and copy the attribute, and then you can paste the attribute to your next project. And that's it, guys, on how to copy element from CapCut project. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.